Hey friends! Welcome to my new video, and today I will teach you how to draw a school bus. This drawing is a very fun. Let's draw with me, friends. Let's draw a school bus with me. First of all, you draw a circle. Like this. Left side and right side. Draw a circle. Inside, draw a small circle. Right side and left side. Draw a small circle. Okay, good job, friend. Next step, you draw a line. You can draw a line here and here. Okay, good job, friend. Next step, you draw a line here, like this. Okay, and here. Okay, good job, friend. Now you draw a line here and draw like this. Okay, good job. Next step, you draw here, like this. Okay, next step, you draw a line here, here, and here. Okay. Next step, you can draw a line here. Okay. I will draw a windows school bus like this. You can draw too. Okay, good job, friend. And connect. Draw like this and down. Okay, good job, friend. Draw like this and you can draw this and like this. Okay, good job, friend. Next step, you can draw a line here. Tracing and here. Good job, friend. Next step, you can like this. Skew I love this drawing. Skew birds. Whoa, this nice drawing. Friends, you can draw like this. Nice. And here you can draw these points inside. And here too. Points inside. Okay. And the next step, you can draw a line here. Whoa. And you can draw like this. Whoa, this drawing is very beautiful to draw. This, like this. Okay, good job. Then random draws. Good job, friend. I finished this drawing and I really like this drawing. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel have videos every single day. See you in the next video. Bye.